Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I have my American Influencer bundle, finally, and this is from February. So yeah, it's a little bit late, but it's okay. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, thank you for joining us. And please do consider subscribing because we have great fun here, including unboxings. And today I have my American Influencer Beauty Bundle, and this has been late. What happened was that it was actually sent at the very beginning of March, end of February. I think this is a bi-monthly box, right, for $34.95. So it comes on one of the months. So it was a February, is it February, March box, I think? And so, or March, April. I'm not too sure because I'm all confused because of their timing. Their shipping timing is all out of whack for some reason or another. But they did initially send me my original box at the end of February, but it's still, to this day, the tracking, it's still sitting in one place in California and it hasn't moved at all. So they did send me the second box because I was really excited by the products that they were featuring, because what this box does is it features one influencer. And so, yeah, I'm gonna see what's up with this, and hopefully I got what I should be getting. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, and this is actually a very pretty box, yeah. And so I enjoyed this box. I do like the way they sponsor or they work with new and upcoming influencers to make these bundles. So it says here in the box, be strong, be beautiful, be you. So that's very nice. And this is how it comes. And let's see. Yep, there's a little paper here. And so, and also comes with a card like everything else. And it is the influencer that I was thinking. It's called Allure Cosmetics. Here she is right here. They feature a different influencer every month, like I said. And I was really excited because it's not a surprise. They actually do tell you who's coming up. And so I really wanted to try her stuff. And so, yeah. And let me read to you what she has to say. The ultimate nude eyeshadow palette is an item I swear by in my collection. It is also versatile with 35 shades to choose from. The looks I can create are endless. I use it thoroughly every season and truly can't name a better combination of tones. I'm so excited to introduce AIA's NYX Beauty Bundle in collaboration with Allure Cosmetics. The products in the bundle include all my favorites. I've been obsessed with this. This collection can fit every look, soft and glam. So this is Rija Imran. She's the ambassador of the Allure and American Influencer Beauty. So, and it does have the information on the back, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the box before we do that. So the first item right away is, it's a setting powder, it looks like. And let's see, and yep, and it is sealed, so I'm not going to go ahead and open it. This does seem a little bit dark for my skin tone. This is like a medium tone, I think, but it's supposed to be translucent, so it should work. I'm really not sure, but I do have a lot of setting powder, and this is a banana setting powder is what it is. And so, and it is in medium. And so I will go ahead and put this in the giveaways, even though I don't like to put things like this in giveaways because I don't know who's going to win the giveaway. So yeah, sometimes it may not work for them, but I'll throw it in there anyway. So that's that. And let's go ahead and read about it real quick. And it says here, banana setting powder in medium, a color correcting setting powder that has a subtle yellow hue to counteract any redness or discoloration, ideal for setting under eye makeup, spot correcting, or even used as a base eyeshadow. Tip, also great for baking your makeup. I don't bake, so what is it? I had another box the other day that says it's great for baking makeup. What is that? I bake a cookie, not my makeup. Thank you. So anyway, it retails for $35. Okay? And the next is a mini kabuki brush. I'm going to pull that out. Ooh, it's got little fuzzies on it. So here it is a mini kabuki. And it is definitely soft. And it does say Bella Pierre on there. Let's see if you can see that. Okay. And yeah, the kabukis are always welcome. And let's see what it says about it. But it is tiny. It's kind of cute. It says mini kabuki brush, bestseller alert. This super soft, dense brush distributes product evenly and quickly, making it a staple for any mineral makeup routine. It can also be used with a powder or blend face makeup for a more natural look. This cruelty-free brush retails for $20. Okay? Alrighty then. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's nighttime again. Like, you know how I get my boxes like late, my mail late, I mean. And so I'm in my jammies, actually. These are my pajamas. These are my Mickey Mouse pajamas. So I was getting ready to kind of like relax, you know. And then the mail came, and then so I'm like, oh, hey, you know, I want to video this because I've been waiting for it. So anyway, here I am in my pajamas. So anyway, oh, and my nails too, update. Okay, so it's still working. This stuff is really good. And by the way, somebody asked me what brand it is. Hold on one second, because I want to go ahead and show you. I have two of them. It's actually Impress Color. It's this one here, and I also have the it's the same, I think, but it's collaboration with OPI. So you can get these from Ulta. They're very inexpensive. So that's what I'm using, okay? Because somebody did ask me, and I said, well, let me remind myself to tell y'all. Okay, finish with the commercial break. Next. Okay, and this is Bella Pierre Matte Lipstick in Incognito. Here it is. And again, it's probably a shade that I already have. So I may go ahead and just throw this in the giveaway as well. Let me look and see, though. Okay, oh, very pretty. It is pretty, though. Let me make sure I have it the right way. Okay, the container is pretty. And then, let's see. Oh, yeah, this is very, very, very neutral. Very neutral. I do have tons of these colors. I actually have them from, a couple of them from the set from my Natasha Denona, as well as my KKW, the collection that I got. They're very similar. So I'll just go ahead and throw this into the giveaways for the future giveaway, because we do have one giveaway going. So yeah. And the next is the, oh, let me read about that lipstick. Sorry. Let's see. It is a richly pigmented lipstick formulated with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba. Lasts 4 hours and retails for $20. And so, next one is going to be the brow pencil. Twist Up Brow Pencil in Cocoa, which is, I'm sure, is a brown. And again, I do love these. I do use them. I get the one from, not Natasha Denona, Anastasia, and also from Benefit. So I do like them. This looks kind of like my brow was. So, okay, let's see. Which way does it go? Okay, it's like this. And again, I think, yep, it's going to have a spoolie at the one end. And then it will have the roll-up side. That's kind of weird. It's flat. Okay. It's okay. And that's that. And let's read about this piece. And this one is the Twist Up Brow Pencil in Cocoa. It's ultra slim retractable brow pencil, allows for maximum precision when filling and sparse brows. Oil-free formula delivers smudge-free pigmentation that looks natural, and it retails for $20, which is, yeah, that's about what it goes for. And the last thing in the box is the palette. Wow, this is kind of big. All right, how does this work? Okay, here we go. I don't want to drop it. And so here it comes wrapped very nice, but it is on the very bottom, but it does have a cushion. So, oh, yeah, okay, this is a nice, so here it comes like this. Okay, very nice. It's got 35 colors in it. And let's see what kind of a colors this is. I will go ahead and open it. And it is very pretty. It comes with a very nice mirror, okay? And here it is. Oh, so very pretty, these colors. And you know what? Let me see if I can take the protective thing off of it, off the top. Oh, is it taped in? let's see. I think this may be taped. Hold on. I don't want to untape it if it is taped. Yeah, it's taped. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the cover on there. And so hopefully you guys can see that. But definitely, that's a lot of shades. 35 shades in one palette. That's nice. Yeah, there it is. But as you notice, I have probably every one of these shades. Well, how can I not, right? I have so many palettes. So there it is. And so what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and put these directly into the future giveaways. And so these colors look like it could be used, I mean, anytime. There's a lot of neutrals, warm tone, a couple of cool tones. And so this is very versatile. And so I will go ahead and put this back in the wrap and then put it in the future giveaway so that I can give it away. And it says here, 35 buttery smooth color eyeshadow palette with a range of matte, satin, shimmer, and foil eyeshadows. Nice. It retails for $50. Yeah, it's actually very nice. And this is aesthetically nice, and it feels actually nice. It doesn't feel like the rough cardboard, but it's kind of like a rubber feeling, you know? So yeah, it's nice. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. That's in my box. Well, I'm glad I did receive the box finally. And so it looks like I will be putting a lot of these into the giveaway. The eyeshadow will go there. The powder, the banana powder will go there. And I think most likely the lipstick will go in there as well. Whoops. And go in there as well. And I will go ahead and keep the kabuki brush and the eyebrow pencil because these are things that I use anyway. And so, yeah. I think that's it. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hitting the bell button so that way you know every time I upload a video. Okay, well, it is nighttime here, but whenever you're watching this, and have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good weekend. Regardless, always remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.